Hey guys, last couple shows have been pretty exclusive. The Bruce Lee case, relic case break was probably won't see that anywhere else. And I just did the skeleton key chase break, two break case break, and now I'm gonna end the nukes with a very special break, box break. And that is something that I've dreamed of having made for me for almost 50 years. I've dreamed of this, and it just came in the mail today. And I never thought it was going to be here, because it's been months. They make them by hand. Some of you know I'm a martial artist my whole life. Got a couple black belts. Heavy into all the different philosophies of the world, Asian. And this, my friends, is a samurai sword that I had custom made, custom katana made for me. And I'm very excited to share it. Some of you may know that my favorite color is green. And I had some special things done to this sword. There it is. Oh, it's exactly like we're seeing it together, guys. We'll see it together. Look at that. Look at that. Comes with a special cleaning kit, certificate, lifetime warranty. It's the real deal. This isn't some cosplay. This one's the real deal, guys. This one is the real deal. Alright, let's get her opened up. Here we go. Oh my. Guys, my heart's pounding. My heart is pounding, guys. It's a dream. I need a knife to... Oh, there we go. Really didn't want to use a knife on it. Everything was picked out by me. Every element of the sword was picked out by me. See a little piece there that they missed. Nice. Alright, let's go. So here you go. Here you have it. Look at the beautiful work. Look at that beautiful work. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Musashi. Look at. All right. Look at that. Ugh, beautiful. Beautiful piece. Here we go. Wow. Look at that. Look at this, guys. What do you think of that? Huh? That's a dream. It's a dream. Not the best spot to be showing this off, but ooh, that's sharp. Wow, it's like a razor. Be careful with that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. That's something. Put that back in there for safety. Well, there it is, guys. My new Katana. It's a beaut. That's a beaut. I guess that was worth the wait. I was chastising them for not updating me. Thought it was a scam. I had all kind of things going through my head. But there you have it. My new Katana. Well, thanks for sharing it with me. For sharing with me this special break. Set this down. I think these are stands. I have my stands. I have my stands, and I think there's another stand. I think it came with a regular stand. Yep, another regular stand. My cleaning kit. And my special there it is. Certificate of authenticity. 6,709. There it is. Very cool. Well, there you have it. I got some reading to do for care. And there's a stand, a wall stand. In case I want to put it on the wall. That's right, I bought that. That's right. There's another part of the stand for the other floor stand. I don't see I thought it came with a cover. I thought it came with a cover. I'll have to look through. See, that was pretty special. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Another exclusive. You definitely won't see that anywhere since I had it custom made. You definitely won't see that anywhere. So like, share, check out my other videos, comment if you will. Domo gato. Appreciate the views. And till next time, thrive.